Okay, everybody. Today's Monday. I got a package. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but I got to be careful. It looks like Glen Allen, Alaska. And that idiot driving down the street in that car was drinking a beer. Love it. Wild West here in Western Washington. So, this guy that sent me this package here was told about a defunct roads and maintenance shop somewhere in Alaska. So we went to go look, and there were Weasel parts, and he found a whole bunch of Weasel parts. And he put his discovery up on a website that I view. Want to say thank you very much, Brad, for sending me this hard to find part. It's very nice of you to take the trouble, to go to the trouble of boxing it up. He has more stuff, Brad does, but we're not going to buy anything else just yet. So it's like has bird seed in it. Smells like it was in someone's house that has a fireplace, because no, really, it smells like a fire. Well, and he's got doggies. But this is a really hard to find piece of equipment for the Weasel that I don't have. Oh my God. That thing is perfect. Wow, Brad. That is awesome. Thank you so very much. Okay, and what this is... Yeah. God, look at that thing. That thing's in great shape. This is the front ventilator lid. We can see two holes here and two holes here. Those are for the hinges, which correspond with these holes here and here. And this thing sits in here. My Weasel's a little bent. There we go. And then it opens down to control airflow to the radiator. Unbelievable. I put the word out 2 years ago looking for one of these things. It's a must-have item. If you don't have one. And then here's the control arm that goes with it. That's the crossbar. Oh, and then there's another piece here. Yes. So, that's a pretty wiggly video. I don't know where that goes, but I'll figure it out. Awesome. All right. Well, that's it. I dealt with nothing but demons at work today. Broke a bunch of screws, stripped a bunch of holes, dropped a drill motor, and I'm done. So I'm just gonna go inside, have a snack, have a shower, and go to bed. Thanks for watching my video.